Hi! In this video, I will show you how to create PDF in CamScanner app like a pro. First things first, head over to your Play Store or App Store and then download the CamScanner. Once it's been downloaded, head over and open the application itself. So once you have opened it, we have in here this. So for example, you can just export or create the PDF based on the scanned document that you have. I have in here this recently created plan. Click onto the share option right here and you can head over and click onto this share as PDF option. Then from there, you have the option to share it to people through WhatsApp, Gmail, as well as a lot more options that you can see right there. So you can also go over and then click on the actual app, click onto these three dots and click onto this edit PDF option. You have the option to remove the watermark based on this and then edit this text, add some annotations, and once you're done, click on share and then share it via these options that you can see in here as well. So from there, you can also save it on file. And here we have the CamScanner PDF. You can share it into your files option and click on check and it should be added right here into your files, and this is what it's gonna look like right there. So that's how you create PDF in CamScanner app like Pro. Hope we helped.